When your entire store depends on one payment processor, a single outage can freeze every sale. Even a few hours of downtime can mean lost revenue and frustrated customers. Here's a simple way to plan your payment backup flow. In Google Sheets, create a quick flow showing how transactions move from your main processor to a backup, then into your bank. It is a great visual reference, but it won't automatically reroute payments when something goes wrong. That's exactly where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their system provides automatic transaction routing, so if one processor ever goes down, your payments instantly shift to another account without disruption. And their FAQ and what to look for in e-commerce credit card processing highlights why having reliable backup and transparent system matters when your business depends on staying live 24/7. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their smart transaction routing keeps your checkout live even when others crash. Don't let one processor hold your business hostage. With EasyPay Direct, you will stay online, collecting payments securely no matter what. Click the link in the description to get started today.